Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English Learning Legacy. Today's video is very interesting. Most of the time, we cannot speak English thoroughly. Actually, we cannot find appropriate words in that time. So today, we are discussing words with their meaning and where we can use that word in our daily life. This video, I think, can help all of you for any kind of interview. So let's start. First word is that adamant. Adamant. What is that the meaning? Unwilling to change an opinion or decision. So when we cannot change our decision, that word is called adamant. Sentence: though she was adamant in the beginning, she came round in the end. Next, adverse. Adverse, meaning unfavorable or hostile. Unfavorable or hostile. Sentence: one must try to overcome adverse circumstances. One must try to overcome adverse circumstances. Next, affected. That means artificial or pretend or influence. For example, she is proud and always behaves in an affected manner. Next word, allay. Allay. That meaning is calm. Calm. Calm means soothing. For example, the mother allayed the fear of the child. The mother allayed the fear of the child. Next word, accord. Accord. The meaning is that agreement. Agreement. There is an accord among the family members over this problem. Next word, adulterate. Adulterate, meaning make impure. Make impure. Example: those who adulterate milk should be severely punished. Those who adulterate milk should be severely punished. That means those who make impure milk should be severely punished. Clear? Next word, agility. Agility, meaning speed or nimbleness. For example, the police acted with agility and apprehended the robbers. The police acted with agility and apprehended the robbers. Next word, warn. For example, the officer admonished his subordinates for their irregular attendance. Next, assuage. Assuage, meaning ease or lessen. Ease or lessen. For example, the government has tried to assuage the public's fear about the new coronavirus strain. Next word, alleviate. Alleviate, meaning relief. Meaning relief. For example, saints are born to alleviate the pain and misery of mankind. Next, altruism. Altruism, meaning unselfish devotion. Unselfish devotion. Example: my friend is imbued with altruism and has made over his property to a charitable trust. Next, amass. Amass, meaning collect. Meaning it's collect. For example, he has no time to do good to others and appears to be more interesting in amassing wealth. Clear, everyone? So, thank you, and I think this video can help to all of you. So, keep watching our video and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.